let me ask the panel of prosecutors, si Representative Jokno, doon po sa pananaw ng depensa on alleged fishing expedition, just for the guidance of Senator judges, this representation would like to clarify one procedural matter. We understand that the concern raised by the defense that the subpoena may be overly broad. And at the same time, we also recognize that the court has a duty naman to determine whether the records being sought are sufficiently relevant and material to the issues before us. So, Representative Jokno, maaari po ba ninyong ipaliwanag kung paano ninyo tiniyak na ang hinihinging mga records ay hindi po simpleng paghahanap lamang ng posibleng ebidensya o tinatawag na fishing expedition, kundi ito po ay mga partikular na dokumento na sa tingin po ninyo ay meron pong malinaw at direktang kaugnayan dito po sa mga articles of impeachment.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ang hinihiling po namin sa mga subpoena ay kaugnay sa Article 2, which involves charges of unexplained wealth. Kung titingnan po natin yung mga jurisprudence pagdating sa unexplained wealth, klarong-klaro po na sinabi mismo ng Korte Suprema na kailangan makita yung buong larawan, hindi lamang po ng mga SALN na final ng isang lingkod bayan, kung hindi lahat ng kanyang kinita, both what we would call lawful and, if there is, illegitimate income. Ang SALN po kasi ay parang snapshot lang po yan, year-end, kung ano yung mga assets, liabilities, and net worth ng isang government official. Ang ITR din po ay parang short video lang po yan ng mga transaksyon ng isang taxpayer sa kabuuan ng taon na yon. Makikita lang po natin yung buong larawan pag nailabas natin ang mga bank records. Kasi doon po yung day-to-day na lumabas at pumasok sa isang account ay mabubuo po natin. And in fact, in the case of DOF Rips versus Merencilia, ito lang pong portion ang babasahin ko. Sabing ganun ng Supreme Court, the failure of the complainant to take into consideration Respondent Rafael's net worth from the time he entered government service and the failure to take into consideration all of his possible sources of income in relation to his real and personal properties do not support the conclusion that he has unexplained wealth, considering that his true net worth was not determined. Ito po ay, sabi ng Supreme Court, Ombudsman, hindi nyo nagawa yung inyong trabaho. Kaya ayaw po namin tumulad sa nangyari kay Ombudsman dito sa kasong ito. We want to see the entire picture. Kaya po namin hinihingi yung BIR records, pati yung mga bank records, and even the Anti-Money Laundering Council records para makita po natin yung buong story as far as both the assets, liabilities, and net worth are concerned and the lawful and, if there is, unlawful income acquired by the respondent.
Last question no, sa prosecution. No? Sir, binanggit po kanina nung defense panel yung requirements which should be relevant and specific, and kinikilala po natin dito sa korte na yung subpoena is an important tool na available po dito sa impeachment court in the search for truth. Pero kinikilala din po natin na ang mga records na ating hinihingi ay may tinatawag na statutory protection under our laws. Now in this regard, Your Honor, bago po ninyo hiniling ang compulsory production ng mga confidential records na ito, may we know what led the prosecution to conclude that the issuance of subpoena is the least intrusive and most appropriate means of obtaining the information sought? In other words, Your Honor, paano po ninyo masasabi na itong subpoena is not only relevant but also necessary and proportionate under the circumstance?
Ang subpoena po ang tanging paraan para makuha ng initong hukuman ang mga kinakailangan po natin na datos at impormasyon at dokumento. At hindi naman po siya intrusive dahil tulad na nabanggit ko po kanina, ay hindi pa naman ito question ng admissibility. Ang kailangan lang ay ma-produce sa korte yung mga dokumentong hinihingi. The issue of admissibility will come later and the defense will have sufficient opportunity to object and to oppose. Ngayon po, as far as the particular records that we are requesting are concerned, ito ay nakabatay nga sa nabanggit ko pong desisyon ng Supreme Court na pag tinitingnan natin ang issue ng unexplained wealth, hindi lang po pwedeng snapshot ang titingnan natin. Kailangan mula sa unang araw ng paglingkod ng isang lingkod bayan, yung kanyang final na salin, lahat ng mga kinita niya ay makita natin. And that will be shown both by the bank records that we are requesting to be produced, as well as the BIR and tax records that we are requesting.